G'day, reporting in for a Saturday morning. Got one and a bit boxes of chop left. Got cheese in, got juice in, got chalky, got Dara's coffee. What's happening here? Got ABC News 24 on, got the skaters, got the helmets, got the goggles. Tonight we're having pizza for dinner. What else is happening here? My bed, still got chalky left. Got my lightsaber, got my board, got my Jedi diaries, all my Jedi diaries, Outside, bit of a nice day. Outside. Got the Trigger Jumper sponsor jumper. Tonight we're getting pizza for dinner. All cool. Spark the ciggy. All cool.